Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look if your Samsung Galaxy S22 series support dual SIM card on the device. Now if you take a look at this phone right here, this is the Galaxy S22 Ultra, and I'm going to open up my phone application and I'm going to key in asterisk pound key 06 pound key, and you can see I have this screen shows up. It shows I have two ME number, ME1 and ME2. So this indicates that my device support dual SIM. So the quick answer is yes, it does support dual SIM. Now another question you may want to ask is, does it actually support two physical nano SIM card? So I'm going to open up this SIM trade for you to have a look. And in here you can see in this tray it only supports a one physical SIM card. Now if we look on this tray right here, it shows SIM 1, and if I turn over it is blank. Now you can see it kind of like shows the shape of supporting a second SIM, but actually it's not supporting the second SIM on this particular model. Now the reason is because this device I've got through a network carrier. If you purchase an international unlock Samsung Galaxy S22 series, normally it has dual physical SIM. So basically you can place one SIM card on the top side, and then you can also place another SIM card at the back. So right here I can place one SIM card, and then at the back here you can also place another SIM card. So it will be back-to-back SIM card, and then you just simply put it in. But unfortunately on this version here I only have one physical SIM. It is one nano SIM, and the other SIM is an eSIM embedded SIM card. So in here, if I go to my SIM manager, so in the SIM manager, I'm just going to put in here the search keyword SIM manager, SIM card manager in connections, and then we go down, there is SIM card manager, and you can see that I have one SIM card at the top, and I can also tap on the eSIMs, and this will allow me to set up a second SIM. Now to set up a second SIM, you either get a QR code or a special serial number from your network provider, and from there you can set up your second SIM. So yes, it does support dual SIM, but for the two nano SIM card, it would depend on which region that you live in. In some region you can only get one SIM card, one physical SIM card. In some other regions such as the UK, you can get dual nano SIM card. And so for me, and for my case, I only get one physical SIM card, and another one is the embedded eSIM. And that's it. Hopefully that will answer your questions. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.